Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at notarizing an affidavit of character. The person that is providing this letter to someone is showing that they are a good person. And so this document is going to be signed today by Leonard Price for someone called Alma Reyes. Leonard didn't fill this out beforehand, so let's fill it out with Leonard. So today we want to put today's date. So I'm going to press my hotkey of D for the date. And I'm going to put that here. So and the person is Leonard. So we're going to put 1, the name of Leonard. I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to put Leonard's name here with an address of, so let's just say we want to have Leonard fill in his address. So I'm going to put signer input 8 for the user input. And I'm going to put current home address. And I can put this box right here for Leonard to put his current home address right now. Make that a little bit smaller so it fits. Leonard has been acquainted with, and the person he's giving this affidavit of character for is Alma. So let's put Alma's name. And we'll just put her name here. For, let's say he's known her for 25 years. So I'm going to put another text box by pressing T. 25 years. As their, how does Leonard know Alma? Let's say as their employer. So I'm going to put, I'll actually just drag and drop this text box so we can see that. Employer. And I know them to be of good moral character. And so here Leonard is saying under penalty of perjury that he is declaring and affirming that the above mentioned statement is to the best of his knowledge and belief true and correct. So let's put a signature box here for Leonard. I'm going to press S for signatures. I'm going to choose Leonard's name and I'm going to put it here a little smaller. And I'm going to put the date. So I can drag and drop the date, today's date, and put that here. Now, after I've confirmed with Leonard via the oath, making sure that this information is correct, I can start filling out my portion here. So let me put in this text box. I'm going to press T for text, state of New York, where I am sitting. Make that a little bit bigger, put that here, and put another text box. County of Orange. And I'm going to put another text box here, and I'm going to put 10th for the date, 10th of text, October. Another text box for 2025. Put that here. By, and I'm going to put Leonard's name, and I'm going to put 1. Leonard. And I'm so happy with these hotkeys because they make it so easy to fill out lots of different small pieces of information really quickly. And I can drop my signature, and I'm going to press S for the hotkey. Choose me, and I'm going to choose this signature. I'm going to adopt it, put this here. My commission expires, and I can put my commission expiration date, which is a hotkey of 7. I'm going to press 7. My expiration date comes up. And to get my seal, I can press the hotkey N, or I can just drag it over, and there it is. And so I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.